Hello everyone, Namaskar, and right now I am in Nafs Motors Bangalore, and you can see these beautiful machines out there right now behind me. But today I am going to show you something very special. The first ever BS6 Mojo with dual exhaust setup. Yes, you heard it right. So we have the dual exhaust setup which has been done right now in front of me, and Farhan is just getting the beautiful bike BS6 Ruby Red inside the showroom. So the first ever Mojo across India, BS6 with dual exhaust setup. So Farhan, you have done it, huh?
Yes.
Kudos. And thank you so much, because Tribe was waiting for this since long, and people wanted to have a dual exhaust setup on their beautiful, lovely machine Mojo.
Yes.
So now can you please take us to the journey, how you did that and how easy or difficult it is?
Yeah, it's not really difficult. We have been doing a lot of dual exhaust mods on the BS4 ABS. So we've done a few. BS6, nobody had done it so far. So what we had to put is the XT bend pipe, add an additional muffler, and there was a slight modification that we had to do to the side stand. This is the XT side stand that is mounted onto the mounting points in the chassis of the ABS. So the regular side stand of the ABS model will not suit this from the dual exhaust. We have done that mod.
Beautiful. Let's have a quick walk around of this motorcycle before Farhan puts it on display. And here we go. Dun, dun. So these are the two mufflers, right and left. And the changes you have just heard from Farhan, at what all you need to do. And we will come over the cost part also, because you must be thinking how much cost will go into this. So without wasting much time, I will directly ask this question to Farhan. Farhan, what is the price if I want to get this done on my existing Mojo?
It's approximately 40,000 rupees.
Okay.
That includes the old XT bend pipe and the additional muffler and a lot of other small child parts. And also the the side stand and a bit of fabrication.
Okay. So guys, 40,000 is all you need to pay if you want the original DNA of Mojo in dual exhaust setup. And can we hear the sound once again? Sure. Awesome. So this is the brand new Ruby Red Mojo, which is ready for the delivery. It's happening today from Nafs Motors Bangalore, and I can see a lot of modification which is done on this motorcycle. So Farhan, can you please explain what all changes and mods you have done?
This bike is loaded with most of the touring accessories.
Yeah.
This is the Lubia visor, adjustable visor.
Okay.
These are the DRLs.
Yeah.
Which were not there in the bike.
Correct.
As standard. So this we have added. This is the Lubia ADV guard.
Yep.
It's a big crash guard that saves the bike very well. It's got sliders here.
Yeah.
These are Mad Dog Scout X fog lamps.
Yep.
It's got the whole kit, and they have even the
Cover also.
covers. Yeah. To have it in yellow, white,
Right.
and
And in
yeah,
busters again.
knuckle guards.
Knuckle guards.
They have a very cool indicator sort of a thing. When you turn on the indicator, this
Oh yes,
turns into
I can
orange.
see that. Yeah. And then I can see the easy clutch also.
Easy clutch. Yes.
Oh.
This makes the clutch feel extremely light.
Yep, I can see that.
It makes city riding really effortless. Stop and go traffic is
And
very
mobile
easy.
holder with charger.
Saddle carrier, pannier mount with this backrest fabricated by us.
Yes, very comfortable for the pillion.
It's got a matching seat covered.
Oh yeah. Okay. So what all are the additional cost on the accessories part, if I have to mention for my audience?
Accessories is close to the other accessories close to 30 to 35,000 approximately.
So 30-35,000 plus 40,000 for the dual exhaust setup, and the bike cost
2,77,000 now.
on the road.
On road.
Yeah. So total cost put together is
It was about 350 approximately.
350.
With the dual exhaust mod.
with a,
and
yeah. So guys, this is the fully loaded Mojo 300 ABS BS6 version with dual exhaust setup and all the accessories loaded. You have to pay 3.5 lakhs approximately to own this. तो जैसा कहते हैं ना कि जितना गुड़ डालेंगे उतनी मिठास आएगी, वैसे ही the amount you spend on your bike, you get that kind of quality and material. And Mojo, as we all know, is a very, very robust motorcycle. Good quality, good build-up material used in this motorcycle, and which eventually gives you a great riding experience on the road. And that's what is the most important thing we see as a motorcyclists. So thank you once again, Farhan, for this wonderful job, because people out there in the tribe was asking for this thing and you have done it.
Thanks to my technical team, more importantly, they made it possible.
Yeah.
So, cheers to them.
Cheers to Nufs Motor Service team, and cheers to all of you. Thank you.